We got Archie today. Well, now.
But we use the phone.
Okay, Archie. I'll tell you when to use the thumb. You gotta.
Just let my finger be right there.
Okay.
Can I
Alright,
use it?
use the thumb. Yes.
That basically when you use the phone, you're basically deleting.
Oh, it's not quite like the mower. Delete.
But like it's crisscrosses trees in half.
Okay, open the thumb up. Just drop that. Alright, thumb. Other way. That didn't really do anything. Open up the thumb. Actually, there we go.
Wait, just put on the ground and straight.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, just put it on the ground and straight. I got you that idea, so
This one's so strong though, because it's small. It'll rip. If I will be careful, it'll dig in really deep. Alright, let's see if we got anything on the inside. Ooh! Archie! Archie, I love you. Guess what?
what?
Emu butt.
This makes no sense.
It makes no sense. Oh, I got an idea. Let's move these railroad ties. Oh, where are we gonna put them, though? Got some railroad ties right here. If I move these out the way, then we can maintain this with the lawn. Those things are heavy. Not too heavy for an excavator. They've been jammed in there. That's been sitting there for like 4 years.
No, but you can just use this banger.
Look, I'll turn it lower. But if we gotta leave one open.
1015 CYNK. American Villa. 9 chances every day. $1,000. One incredible
No, board shorts. Wait, that's too many. Okay. Let's see if we can grab this. I guess you just put them against the fence. Oh, they're falling apart, dude. They need to go in the burn pile. I thought they were in better shape than that.
I thought there was a beehive over here.
No, we moved it.
Well,
I'll show you. That's it. Archie!
Let's use
Why do you want to be scorching in there?
tail. The fan's looking better.
Ow! You hit me in the coconut. You hit me in the glasses. Oh, that one is about to fall. Let's see, if I can get it up there, I'll let you release it. Wait, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Now!
I wasn't ready. That's okay.
But I was ready.
Yeah, you're always ready. Look, it's rusty. I should have ran that fence in a better material. Went kind of cheap on it.
Yeah, this fences only like metal and post.
No, we didn't go cheap on this fence straight ahead. But the one against to the left did. Alright, what other stuff we got in here? Like we got more blocks and
Also an
stuff.
accident or meal at Commercial Avenue. If you're traveling on I-12 eastbound from the 1012 to range, it's a 12
I just throw these off to the side. And,
Delivering service to the highest degree.
yeah, that's wood. Maybe some metal in here. I'd really like to be able to cut the grass. Keep this maintained better.
Service to the highest degree. If you run a business and need to get your message
Is that a
to your
block?
next customers fast,
That's
nothing is
concrete.
faster than audio with iHeart. Let us help you reach the audience you need to grow your business.
I think I
at speed and sound
used
at iHeartAdvertising.com.
the metal we had
The music, the
or
dance, the
something.
fame.
It's all in Fiddler on the Roof coming to LSU's Shaver Theater.
It's next weekend. Get tickets at cytbatonrouge.org.
That's
At Southern Outfitters.
That might be all the stuff.
60-yard indoor archery range.
Oh, there's another one. Look.
Plus, professional bow repair, free stringing, and maintenance. Southern Outfitters is factory. Aim with confidence, shoot with precision.
I'm tired of just talking about getting a better job. I need to make a move. Obviously, you haven't heard. Heard what? River Parish's community college offers hands-on training for well-paying jobs that are hiring right now.
Archie! Oh, we're almost out of diesel.
Yay!
Apply your basic plus thousands of new jobs. Okay.
Yeah, classes start August 17th. So log in and level up. Check out rtcc.edu/training. The wait is over.
There's another big block. That might be the last. No, there's one behind it, I think. These have been sitting in the dirt for so long, they're just no good. Classic Taylor Swift?
That's why it wasn't sounding good.
Mommy used to love Taylor Swift when she was like this. This is old Taylor Swift.
Oh, Taylor Swift now terrible.
I mean, I don't know. I haven't really listened to her stuff to comment about it, to be fair. What? That's not good. We just took that tree. That was a good. There's no way this thing's gonna survive. That was a good peach tree. And it just, I guess I grabbed one of the roots and drug out of there. Well, it's screwed now. Stay away from Juliet. Don't go. Story, baby. Let's swing around. We can see. Alright, well, we're gonna let that age a little bit. We got a lot more little stick to pick up by hand. You can see. So, we'll let that go and once we get all that lined up, light that on fire.